Colorado's best.
Severe weather season can be brutal in Colorado, and when it comes to getting hail damage fixed, you should always start with trust. That's why accreditation with the Better Business Bureau is so important for business owners.
They've made a promise, essentially a contract with the consumer, to embody integrity and to advertise honestly and to just have that really open line of communication in resolving any problem that should arise. So that's what the accreditation is and why it's really important for companies like the ones that are here on Colorado's Best to tout that accredited status.
And Kraftwork Design is one of those businesses. They have an A+ rating with the BBB. Here to tell us more about their services is owner James Saylor. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Yeah, tell us a little more about Kraftwork Design and what you specialize in.
So Kraftwork Design is more of a boutique, smaller company, and our specialty is really providing top quality service to our customers, one-on-one. You deal with the owner directly.
Love that.
Yeah, so it's a great experience for people.
So how can you help homeowners who have been affected by hail damage?
Well, first off, it can be very confusing, and oftentimes you get storm chasers walking in droves like zombies through the streets, banging on people's doors. We don't do that. We don't use that method. So after a hailstorm, if you feel that you've got damage on your home, simply give us a call or go to our website, which will be listed, and let us know, and we'll be happy to come out, schedule something, take a look, and then from there we can help you deal with your insurance company.
So what should homeowners be wary of after a hailstorm?
Well, mostly, like I mentioned, you get a lot of storm chasers from other states. Oftentimes their intentions are good, sometimes they're not, but they'll come in, they'll have teams that will sell literally hundreds of roofs, and whether their intentions are good or bad, oftentimes they can't service those people, you know, in a timely manner, and sometimes you're talking 6 months, 7 months before they'll even get to the job, whereas we can take care of, you know, our typical customers in, say, you know, a month or less.
That's great.
Yeah.
And, you know, dealing with insurance companies can be confusing and challenging. How can you help people with that?
Yeah, so we take the time to actually sit down, explain, go through the insurance information with the customer, and explain the process, and we just make it real easy for them, and an explanation of what all the paperwork says, because the insurance companies, you know, the paperwork can be very difficult to understand.
Yeah. Well, thanks for coming on today.
Yeah,
Good advice for homeowners out there, especially as we're approaching the hail season, because it is coming.
It is. It always is.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
and
you're welcome.
Kraftwork Design has a special offer for Colorado's Best viewers. First-time customers will get $500 off roof replacement. Just use the code CB500. Their number 720-837-2113. It's Kraftwork Design. They are located, or they are in accredited business with the BBB, and they have an A+ rating. So call them right now at 720-837-2113. You can also find them online at kraftworkdesign.com.